Alright guys, so a lot of people have been asking me how to make your own menu. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to do that. I've been saying I think I said that I'm gonna use ice menu temp, but for some reason if you search it up, right? If we do a separate template, right, it's not showing for some reason. So I'm gonna be using PSI temp. I can't find NXO temp, my bad. But yeah, so just copy this link right here. I'll go for the description. Thanks, thanks for Monkey Man for making this template. And yeah, so basically, right, first before you download the Alxa template, you need Visual Studio. Just search up Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code. There's a difference. Download Visual Studios, and you should, and then download for you. So once you download it, go to your downloads thing. I downloaded it a long time ago. Wait. Yeah, just go to your uh sorry, go to your what you call it? Go to your downloads and then go to the Visual Studio installer. I think try to find my thing. Installer. One second, gotta find it real quick. Ignore all of this. I might just go to Visual Studio and yeah, so you just open this. And then you have to go through all the steps and stuff, I agree, whatever. Then download the latest one, 2022, not 2019, I don't know what is here. But download 2022, that's the latest one you need. I don't really have it, but what you gotta do is just download it. And then once you download it, it's gonna do something like this. And then once you get here, you wanna go down. You have to, you have to checkpoint when UI application development, right? Just checkpoint that and then go down, checkpoint game development with Unity and game development in C++. That's what we're gonna be using file menu, C Sharp, and then I think that's all. Yeah, so you just press download and stuff, and yeah, then wait for it to install. And after it's done installing all that stuff, and then just download the zip, and yeah, sorry one second, sorry about that. And yeah, just and then after that, press code and download zip. You don't have to do anything when you download the zip thingy. But yeah, I already have it. Just find it. Open Visual Studio 2022. Go to go find it. Should be named PSI temp. And you won't have all of this stuff. Let me just delete this real quick. And then yeah, you won't have all of this right here. Yes, I'm already used this. But after that, you can right click on the PSI temp and then rename it to whatever you want. And then if you want to change your name, your plugin info is not gonna work. You have to go to main.cs, scroll down until you see add title FPS counter, and then it should be like PSI template whatever version whatever, and you just change it to whatever you want. And after that, right, just don't do anything else. After that, create, right click, add new item, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna just do movement for right now. Alright, so now we're gonna do coding. So first what you do is make a class. A class is basically right. It's like a little, like a class in real life where it's a certain thing. So it's something like that. So press class. What the flip is this? Okay. I think you ignore that. Ignore that. It's just like whatever. yeah, whatever. Like, seven ticket. So yeah, just make a class and then name it whatever you want. So just name whatever you want. So sorry about that. Someone's name is Speed Boost Mods. And then while you're holding shift, press the left bracket, right? And then press enter and boom. And now what you want to do is public. Expect it's like this, exactly like this. Static void speed boost. So I was basically saying is like, it's like it's like making a name for the mod. So you do these things right here, hold shift and press 9 first and then 0. And then hold shift again, press left bracket to make a new bracket. And then press enter and boom, you should have no mods. No errors. If you have any errors, then contact support or whatever. So now we're gonna make a speed boost mod. So basically it does, right? So when you enable the mod, you get more like a speed boost. So go gorilla locomotion, right? That they don't they changed it to GT player. It's no longer a player. It's GT player. That instance now the I is uppercase now, so that instance that max uh jump jump multiply no speed max jump speed, my bad. Just press tab if it shows, but if it doesn't show, I'm gonna just do it for sake video. And then press space equals 9 F and then press this thing. So basically what this line of code is doing, so when you enable the mod, you jump, right, your speed will be 9 times faster. So you can just copy and paste this, but I'm gonna just do it for new. So gorilla locomotion dot GT player dot instance, just press enter for that. That whoopsies. Max no. Jump multiplier, no. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, my bad. Max jump speed, right? And then do equal, and then 9 F, and then this thing right here. Oh, whoopsies. And then the GTP. Fix that. There you go. So this is what this line of code is doing. It's basically whenever you jump, you jump 9 times, like more up, faster. You can customize it to whatever you want. But yeah, that's what I'm basically doing for now. Just press save, then go to mod buttons. It's already here for me, but for this second video, I'm just do something else. So whatever you put here is the text it's gonna display on the menu. So just put your text here. So since it's a speed boost mod, of course I'm just gonna put speed boost, right? And then what this is basically saying is that true, right? Basic, you won't have all of this when it's if it's your first time though. I just used it. So basically, right? This means if you change this to false, players when use the menu, they won't be able to use the menu. They won't be able to enable that mod, right? Because it's false. So the false means like you can't like do it. True means you're like able to do it. You know what I mean? So false, right? If you set it to false, then people can enable it, but I don't want it to enable it, so just change this to true. Or just leave it. What this code does, it's if you leave it false. So basically, when you're loading game, it's gonna be disabled. But if you want the mod to be enabled, even if you close your game and restart your game, and you still want the mod to be enabled, you just change that to true, and it will be enabled already. But if you don't want to be enabled, then yeah. So remember that class we did earlier? So you put your class name here, right? So for the site, for me, that's Speedboat Mods. And whatever you put in the public static void, you put put it here, right? So mine is uh speed boost, right? So when you hold control and then click on this, you should be able to take to your mod. And that's how you build a menu. Now you just press build, rebuild solution, and test it out. I'm not gonna test it out right now because I'm busy doing something. But yeah, that's how you make the menu. If you need any help or anything, then just contact support or join the Discord. And yeah, bye bye. Hope you have fun.